Hi kids, this is Teacher Erica and welcome to Math Plus. Our topic for today is about division of fractions. Again, division of fractions. Okay, so let's read our vocabulary for today. First word is division or divide. Division, divide. Okay, next. Fraction. Fraction. Whole number. Whole number. Mixed number. Mixed number. Reciprocal. Reciprocal. Alright. Parts of division. So we have here A divided by B equals C. So these letters represent any number. Okay, so for the first number, which is the letter A, the number being divided into pieces. So it is called dividend. Everybody please say dividend. Next, which is the second number, it is the number by which the dividend is divided. Okay, so it is called divisor. Everybody please say divisor. And after you divide, your answer, which is C, which means any number. So it is the number or it is the answer to the division problem. So your answer is called quotient. Everybody please say quotient. So again, the first number, or rather say fraction, dividend. It is called dividend. The second fraction, it is called divisor. Divisor. And your answer, it is called quotient. Quotient. So get to know me. So the proper fraction, this is the example of the proper fraction. So the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction, so we have here an example, 9/4. So as you can see, the numerator is larger than the denominator. So this is an example of reciprocal. So from 2/5, the 5, which is the denominator, becomes the numerator, and the numerator 2 becomes the denominator. So in reciprocal, it's just you need to flip or switch the numerator and the denominator. Next, like the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So these numbers are called whole numbers. Again, this is the example of a whole number. 3 and 2/5. So this kind of fraction, it has a whole number and a fraction or a proper fraction. So this is called a mixed number. Again, mixed number. So to start our lesson, please remember the flow in dividing fractions. Okay, first, the first fraction stays the same. Again, the first fraction stays the same. Operation changes from division to multiplication. Again, operation changes. So from division, divide, to multiplication or multiply. Flip the second fraction for reciprocal. Again, flip the second fraction for reciprocal. So this is the flow. okay, in general, in dividing fractions. So now we have an example, fraction divided by a fraction. Step 1, write the given fractions as 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 3. So these are our given fractions. Step 2, find the reciprocal of the divisor. So the divisor again is the second fraction. So you have to write like this. Okay, so from 1 over 3, it becomes 3 over 1. So now we have 2 over 3 divided by 3 over 1. Step 3 is the reciprocal allows you to change the operation from division to multiplication. Again, the reciprocal allows you to change the operation from division to multiplication. So from division, it becomes multiplication. Divide 2 times, okay? 2 over 3 times 3 over 1. Step 4, multiply the fractions. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 1 equals, okay, 3. Next, step 5, write the answer in simplest form. Okay, so this time we have to simplify our answer. So from 6 over 3, okay. So as you can see, our answer here is 6 over 3. So we can divide the 3 to 6. How many 3 are there in 6? Okay, there are 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our answer is 2. Next, whole number divided by a fraction. Step 1, write the whole number or write the whole number as fraction. So in this example, we have the given 9 divided by 1 over 3. So the 9 is the whole number and 1 over 3 is the fraction. So whole number, we can make it into fraction by giving it 1 as a denominator. So from 9, it becomes 9 over 1, and then just copy the rest, divided by 1 over 3. Okay, again, whole number has always the denominator 1. Step 2, find the reciprocal of the divisor. Again, the divisor is the second fraction. So, from 1 over 3, it becomes 3 over 1. Just flip the numerator and the denominator. So again, we have 9 over 1 divided by 3 over 1. Step 3 is the reciprocal allows you to change the operation from division to multiplication. So this is why we have to change the operation as well. It's because we do the reciprocal of the divisor. So 9 over 1 times. So from divide to times. For division to multiplication. So 9 over 1 times 3 over 1. Step 4, multiply the fractions. So from 9 over 1 times 3 over 1. Okay? Again, the rule in multiplication of fractions is numerator to numerator and then denominator to denominator. Okay, just a quick recap. Okay, so 9 times 3. The answer is 27. 1 times 1, of course, the answer is 1. Alright, so let's proceed to step 5. Write the answer in simplest form. So this is not yet the final answer, the 27 over 1, so we have to simplify. So from 27 over 1, it becomes, so this time it's just like 27 divided by 1. Okay, so the answer is whole number 27. The simplest form of the answer, the quotient is 27. Another example, fraction divided by a mixed number. So just the same process, guys. Step 1, write the mixed number as improper fraction. So how can we do that? Okay, let's say we have given fractions 2 over 3 divided by 2 and 1 over 3. So we have fraction 2 over 3 and the mixed number 2 and 1 over 3. So we have to, again, step 1, write the mixed number as improper fraction. So, okay, write 2 over 3 first, which is the fraction. You don't need to change it. It's already a fraction. And then just copy the division symbol, divide. And then to convert mixed number to improper fraction, just 3 times 2, 6, right? 6 plus 1. So that's why it's 7 here. Again, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. And copy the denominator. Alright, so now we have 2 over 3 divided by 7 over 3. Step 2, find the reciprocal of the divisor. So, again, the reciprocal, the divisor is the second fraction. So, 2 over 3 divided by, from 7 over 3, it becomes 3 over 7. Just flip the numerator and the denominator. Step 3. The reciprocal allows you to change the operation from division to multiplication. So 2 over 3 times, okay, just convert or change 3 over 7. Okay, now step 4. Multiply the fractions. Okay, 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 7, 21. Actually, you can just cancel this. So step 5, write the answer in simplest form. So we have 6 over 21, right? Okay. This time we cannot divide. We cannot just simply divide because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So this time we have to think a number that is divisible to both 6 and 21. The greatest possible number divisible to both 6 and 21. What do you think is that number? Okay, that's 3. So we have to divide both by 3. Okay, so 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And then 21 divided by 3. What's the answer, guys? The answer is 7. So, our final answer, or the simplest form of the answer, is 2 over 7. So, that is all about the division of fractions. Just please remember the process. And if you need to review, please rewatch this video, okay? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, kids. Goodbye.